Vietnam, a long narrow country squeezed in between the South China Sea and the Laos and Cambodia borders. Vietnam tops many travelers' bucket list. Vietnam is an astonishing mix of natural highlights and cultural diversity. The scenery ranges from jagged peaks, the winding mountains, and the paddy fields. The fascinating country is full of surprises and is one of the Southeast Asia's most underrated destination. With its dizzying metropolis, blissful islands, and immense national parks, there is innumerable places to visit in Vietnam. Today in this video, I will guide you with 6 nights 7 days tour plan for Vietnam along with flight details, hotel details, visa procedure, currency, food cost, best season, how to get around, day-wise tour plan and entire cost breakup. So don't skip any part and watch till end. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notification. You can reach Vietnam from any part of the country. The best way to reach Vietnam is by taking flight from Bangalore, Delhi or Kolkata, which will take 4 hours. Flight fare ranges between 9,000 to 12,000 for both sides per person. You have to get down at Noi Bai International Airport at Hanoi. Indian passport holders do need visa to visit Vietnam. However, you can apply for the visa online and collect it once you reach Vietnam. You can get this visa on arrival at Hanoi, Da Nang, Ho Chi Minh and Nha Trang. Cost for this visa is $35 which is valid for 1 month for single entry. Link for this online visa application given below in the description box. Dong is the currency of Vietnam. It's symbolized as VND. US dollar is also accepted in some hotels and restaurants. 1 INR is equal to 311.15 VND. You can get the currency exchange done from the airport itself. Vietnam is year-round destination, but the best time to visit Vietnam is between December to February when the temperature is milder and the weather remains pleasant. Vietnamese food is not so expensive. All dishes are perfectly balanced out with green and vegetables. Average cost will be 275,990 VND per day per person, which is around 900 rupees per day. Now coming to the most important point, which is day-wise tour plan. Day 1. On arrival at Noi Bai International Airport, get your visa and currency exchange done and then reach your hotel. Get fresh quickly and then go out for sightseeing of Hanoi. Start with the downtown. It's the heart of the Hanoi city. Downtown Hostel is the biggest hostel in whole Vietnam and known for its legendary bar. Then go to Bat Rang Ceramic Village. It's a village of 14th century porcelain and pottery village near Hanoi. Then visit Van Phuc Silk Village. It's a traditionally associated village with silk weaving in Ha Dong, 8 km from southwest. Then go to Duong Lam Ancient Village. It's a World Heritage Site. It takes over an hour from Hanoi. By evening, visit the nearby market for shopping and then back to hotel and overnight stay at Hanoi. Day 2. On day 2, explore the Hanoi city. You can book packages for Hanoi city tour which will cost around 2,000 rupees per person for full day tour. They will cover all the tourist attraction by hop-off bus, or you can cover those places by your own via public transport or private car. Places which comes under this city tour are Hoan Kiem Lake, a lake in a small island which can be reached by a red bridge dedicated to 3 big figures of Vietnam history. Then visit Temple of Literature. It's a religious, beautiful, peaceful temple originally built as a university in the 11th century. Then go to Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum, which contains the tomb of Ho Chi Minh as well as various museums and monuments. Then visit Vietnam Museum of Ethnology, displays artifacts and art that showcases wooden carving. Then go to Howrah Prison Museum, known as the prison where American POWs were held during the war. Then visit Imperial Citadel, which showcases the vital seat of military power here. Then visit West Lake, is the largest lake in Hanoi city. Then visit One Pillar Pagoda, which is a reconstructed ancient Buddhist temple. Then go to Hanoi Opera House, a phenomenal piece of neoclassical French architecture featuring Gothic themes. By evening, visit the Water Puppet Theatre. It's a great show of traditional Vietnamese artistry and entertainment. Once done, back to hotel and overnight stay at Hanoi. Day 3. On day 3, move towards Halong Bay. It's almost 180 km from Hanoi. You can reach Halong Bay by bus, van, train or taxi. Bus fare is quite cheaper. It's around 300 rupees per person. Halong Bay is an unique island with 2000 old limestone that emerged from the waters of the coast. Is declared as UNESCO World Heritage Site. You can spend whole day in the cruise and then come back to Hanoi. Or you can book the cruise for overnight. Here you can enjoy scuba diving, rock climbing and hiking, etc. Day 4. On day 4, move towards Ninh Binh. It's a small city of Vietnam in the Red River Delta at the northern part. It's almost 100 km from Hanoi city. Within 1.5 hours, you will reach Ninh Binh. Once you reach, start exploring the tourist places of Ninh Binh. Start with Trang An Groves, a perfect amalgam of nature beauty and heritage value. Then visit Tam Coc in the form of sublime greenery, endearing waterways and enchanting limestone. Then go to Bai Dinh Temple, is the largest pagoda in the country. Then visit Mua Cave, located in the landscape of Tam Coc. Witness the bird's eye view from the top of the Mua mountain. Then visit Hoa Lu, its few buildings and temples within its bound. Then go to Cuc Phuong National Park, located in Red River Delta, is the largest national park in the country. Then visit Ken Ga Floating Village, where you can experience the lifestyle of the local people. Then go to Tuet Tin Coc, consists a gorgeous temple carved in a mountain overlooking a lake. Then visit Big Dong Pagoda. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This pagoda is a series of caves and ancient shrines. Once done with those places, back to Hanoi and overnight stay at Hanoi Hotel. Day 5. On day 5 early morning, reach Ho Chi Minh by flight from Hanoi. Try to reach as early as possible so that you can cover some places over there on the same day. Start with Minh Tay Market, constructed by the French, located in the center of Vietnam's largest Chinatown. Then visit War Remnants Museum. Here you can see preserved tanks, planes and other war machines. Then go to Sao Dai Temple. It's a bright and colorful temple with dragons flying up banisters. Then visit Jade Emperor Pagoda. There is a tortoise pond in front of the temple. Then go to Reunification Palace. Here you can see secret rooms, grand reception halls and command bunker. Then visit Ho Chi Minh Central Post Office, a glorious example of French colonial architecture. Then visit Notre Dame Cathedral. It's one of the few remaining strongholds of Catholicism. Then go to Marimar Hindu Temple, a beautiful temple with bright and vibrant architecture. Then you can also go to watch the Bitexco Tower, an ultra-modern office tower with oval extension and helicopter landing pad. Once done with all those places, back to hotel and overnight stay at Ho Chi Minh. Day 6. On day 6, plan your day tour for Shu Chi Tunnels, which is 200 km long underground tunnel. A visit to this monument will let you see the living condition of Vietnamese soldiers during the war. You can reach this place by public transport or private car. Here you can see Ben Din tunnels lying next to the Saigon River. Also check out the Ben Duoc tunnels next to the ticket checking point. There are many helicopters, tanks, tomb, etc. Then go towards Ben Duoc temple, represents Vietnamese patriotism and as a memorial to the soldiers. Then visit the stimulation areas recreating the Cedar Falls event, and then visit the shooting ranges, the firing range at each tunnel section. It will take almost 6 to 7 hours to cover the whole area. So once done, back to hotel and overnight stay at Ho Chi Minh. Day 7. Back to India from Ho Chi Minh Airport. This is how your entire trip will end here. All the places of Vietnam are connected by local transportation. Buses are generally cheaper and faster than train. You can book your ticket for bus prior one day. You can cover all the places by private car also, which will cost 2000 to 3000 rupees per day. And by bus it will cost 300 rupees per day per person. You will get a lot of budget-friendly accommodation option in Vietnam. Price ranges between 1000 to 2000 rupees per night. I have mentioned few good hotels below in the description box with price. If you are planning to visit Vietnam in this situation, then please follow the COVID-19 guidelines of Vietnam. If you are fully vaccinated, then you have to quarantine there at least 7 days. And on arrival, negative RT-PCR report required, which should be done not more than 48 hours ago. I have mentioned almost all details regarding a decent tour plan for Vietnam. If you want any other information, please leave your comment in the comment section. So now this is the cost breakup for entire tour plan. Hope this video is informative for you guys. We'll come back soon with next video. Stay safe, wear mask.